हाँ जी रेडी। At the very outset, I would like to convey on my own behalf and on behalf of my delegation, our deep appreciation for the very warm welcome extended to my delegation since our arrival in Abuja. Full stop. The cordial hospitality accorded to us has made us feel at home. Full stop. It is testimony to the fact that irrespective of the geographic distance, our hearts are very close to each other. Full stop. We in Pakistan deeply admire your sagacious leadership and the efforts your excellency has made in forging the unity of West African nations within the framework of ECOWAS. Full stop. Your excellency's role in African Union to support the cause of democracy, economic development, cultural freedom, and the right to self-determination of the people all over, is commendable. I would also like to avail myself of this opportunity to convey our heartiest felicitations to the people of Nigeria on the centenary celebrations to commemorate unification of Nigeria. Full stop. We appreciate your agenda for transformation of Nigerian economy with a balanced growth in all sectors of economy and social uplift. Full stop. We are looking forward to see Nigeria play its rightful role as member of the United Nations Security Council during the session 2014 to 15. Full stop. Pakistan fully supports all efforts to reform the UN system, making it more just and democratic. Full stop. I would also like to convey our heartfelt condolences to the members of bereaved families, victims, of recent bomb blast in Abuja. Full stop. We condemn terrorism and extremism in all its forms and manifestation. Full stop. Pakistan is committed to fight against terrorism and extremism. Full stop. This is a common menace that needs to be confronted jointly at bilateral, regional and international levels. Full stop. Pakistan and Nigeria share common aspirations of brotherhood, deep rooted in our cultural and historical bonds. Full stop. Our two countries have closely cooperated with each other at various international and regional fora, including the United Nations, Commonwealth of Nations, OIC, and the D8. Full stop. All these forums provide good platform for further strengthening of cooperation between our two countries. Full stop. Our two countries are endowed with tremendous material, economic and human resources which provide our great nations a very strong foundation for speedy economic growth and well-being of our people. Full stop. We complement each other. Full stop. Pakistan stands committed to South cooperation in all areas of economic, industrial and agricultural growth, and this is opportune moment to foster these ties at all levels, full stop. I would also like to convey our deep appreciation to your government for permitting the opening of commercial section of Pakistan embassy in Lagos, full stop. This will greatly facilitate the promotion of our bilateral trade and investments, full stop. Pakistan is desirous of sharing experience in agriculture, including agro-based industries, textiles, sports goods, education and defense production, full stop. Nigeria could benefit from our experience in oil and gas research, downstream growth of petrochemicals sector, laying of gas pipelines, transmission lines and reconstruction of other areas of power sector, full stop. Pakistan has a booming textiles, garments, sports goods, pharmaceutical and dairy and poultry sectors, full stop. We would like to share experiences of our growth in these areas with Nigeria, full stop. Pakistani entrepreneurs are prepared to explore possibilities of joint ventures with their Nigerian counterparts. I would like to encourage Nigerian businessmen and investors to take advantage of our bilateral economic policies and special incentives we offer to foreign investors, full stop.